Hello and welcome to the Burnley College A-Level Statistics Application Information video. First, I would like to introduce you to the Maths team in A-Levels. We are all specialist Maths, further Maths statistics teachers. In your first year, you might be taught by 1 or 2 Maths teachers. However, when you access our support and help sessions, it is likely you will come across the whole team. It doesn't matter which class you are in, you can ask any of us for help. In our modern, data-rich world, statistical literacy is becoming increasingly important in further and higher education and employment. This course will help you develop the skills of statistical inquiry and practice the underpinning statistical calculations and interpretation using real-world data and in authentic contexts. A-level statistics might appeal if you are seeking to pursue the study of a numerate post-16 subject, but not wishing to study pure mathematics. You can, however, study both A-level maths and A-level statistics at the same time. It goes well with subjects such as A-level biology, psychology, geography, PE, business studies and accounting. The emphasis is on using and applying statistics, interpreting statistical information and results in context, and critically assessing the reliability and validity of statistical methodologies will also be required. Statistics A-level relies heavily on a calculator. The amount of calculations you do by hand will be very low. You will learn how to use a wide range of tools on the Casio ClassWiz scientific calculator. You don't need to worry about buying a calculator before you start. We can usually offer them at a reduced price. Here are some of the key topics you will study during the course. Some of these develop straight from GCSE, such as interpreting statistical diagrams, correlation and basic probability. Of these topics, hypothesis testing is probably the most important, and you will learn how to carry out a large range of tests. Some of the statistical skills you will learn also appear in other A-levels. The Statistics A-level develops 3 main skills: interpretation, analysis and evaluation. If you think back to GCSE science experiments, you will have followed this process at a basic level. What do you expect to happen? The hypothesis. What does the data show? The analysis. What went well or wrong within the experiment? The evaluation. And what is your conclusion? Over the summer, try and see if you can find examples of how statistics is being presented in the media, and if you can identify any issues with what is being said. For example, what is the sample size? Which observations are being reported? Is there the possibility that the data is biased in order to support the point the reporter is trying to make? The statistical inquiry cycle underpins the entire A-level course and helps you to appreciate the real-world context of statistics. During the course, you will develop your understanding of the cycle through a variety of authentic contexts. You will be required to analyse statistical information and form your own opinions. You may be asked to discuss how you would collect data in order to eliminate bias, how you would use the data to draw conclusions, how you would present the data using statistical diagrams, and what you would do differently to improve the results. With our support, we want you to become independent learners. The ability to think for yourself, see what improvements need to be made, and take steps to make those improvements are valuable skills which will prepare you for your next step, whether that is further study or the workplace. All A-levels are challenging, and even the best statisticians will come across topics they find difficult. It is the nature of the subject. We expect you to practice topics in your own time and then seek help with concepts you don't understand. We encourage the little and often approach to enable key skills to be committed to long-term memory. We will support you by giving you repeated questions through lesson starters, assessments and feedback to allow you to see which topics you have grasped and which you still need to work on. You can make a start on this now by working independently through the applicant information sheet and making sure you fully understand the topics listed and the key terms discussed. As I'm sure you have noticed, statistics is playing a vital part in the world's response to the coronavirus pandemic. The skills you will acquire through studying A-level statistics could serve you well in a number of future careers. Statisticians use mathematical techniques to analyse and interpret data and draw conclusions. They work with the data that is all around us, and the opportunities for work are vast. In our modern data-rich world, the demand for statisticians is increasing every year. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email alevels@burnley.ac.uk and one of the team will respond to you as soon as possible. We wish you all the best for the summer and we look forward to welcoming you to the Burnley College Maths Department in September.